Yeah.
Hey, how's it going? Jacob with Cultivate, cultivatecolorado.com. Today, with harvest season approaching, we're gonna go over our top harvest essentials we sell here at Cultivate. Let's jump into it. Just as always, it's not only harvest essentials when we're going over here on this channel, so if you like the video you see today, make sure you rate, like, and subscribe below so you can get all this great content we're bringing to you daily. First on our essential harvest list is a no-brainer. It's gonna be scissors. Here we offer tons of different scissors, tons of different varieties. I'm gonna just go through them real quick with you so you can kind of see. First, we're gonna start with my personal favorite, just because it's what I've always used. Fisker Micro Tip. Comes with a little thing here so you don't pierce yourself in the pocket. A little bit shorter blade, really loose spring. People even buy the upgraded springs, which we sell as well from these because they're just the loosest, easiest to use scissors. Fisker's Micro Tip. Then we have a lot of these, the Hydrofarm, the Trim Fast. A little bit stronger of a spring, but the quality on the scissors is great. We got curved as well as straight and just the regular stainless steel. And then they also make a titanium one. Doesn't get quite as sticky, stays sharper, a little bit longer, curved and straight. These ones are awesome too. Just like I said, if you like a little bit harder spring clamp down, get this one. If you want it to be a little looser, go with the Fiskers.
Is it hard squeezing it like that?
A lot of people's personal favorites are the Chikamasas. I just have two of their scissors here. They make a ton of other options. I have a straight and a curved here. These are Japanese steel. They're the sharpest. You really never need to sharpen them. They don't seem to stick as much as some of the other scissors as well, especially when you get some of them that have some of the more, I guess, unique coatings that Chikamasa offers. Chikamasa scissors, like I said, always one of the most favorites from all trimmers, and we have a bunch of different models here in the store. Lastly, we have some of like the Corona bypasses. We have larger versions too. These are great for actually taking down the whole plants, taking down big stalks. Make sure you're not trying to use these as you'll just break right through the spring and break right through the pair of scissors. This is what you need to use to take down. This is what you need to use to trim. And lastly is a unique product that actually has picked up quite a bit of steam here. Is a canna brush. Once your product's dry, you really just brush off the leaf. Some might not be clean enough for some people, but a lot of people find it easier than scissors with a little bit quicker time as trimming as well. So there we go. That was our scissor overview. Let's jump into the next topic. Next on our essential list is gonna be cleaning products. So we just went over all the scissors you can use. With scissors, when you're trimming sticky products, they're gonna get dirty. We have some really great products to keep your scissors clean.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
This one right here is one of my favorites, Scissor Scrubber. It's a little box with brushes inside. You take isopropyl alcohol, which you could actually soak scissors in by itself and clean them off. But you put this in this box, you take the scissors, just jam them inside and outside. It'll clean them off really quick. Another product like that is Scissor-Fix. This thing is already filled with isopropyl alcohol, and it also has like a sponge inside of it. So you just take your scissors, stick them in, cut a couple times, and your scissors will be perfectly clean. Always want to have alcohol around when you're trimming though, because that is the best tool for cleaning scissors or any other thing that you may have, even your hands. Which brings us to the next topic, gloves. Some people like to trim with gloves just because you'll make sure you don't get any of the sticky stuff on your hands. Some people actually like to feel it. We got products for both.
I like the way it feels.
For gloves, we carry every size. We carry a couple different brands. We even carry these ones right here, which are our preferred glove, which are a biodegradable glove. They're actually really strong, surprisingly, just as strong as all the other ones, but you're also not damaging the environment every time you throw away a pair of gloves. For people that like to trim with their fingers and use no gloves, actually feel the product, make sure you have sap-off soap. This product is really awesome. You take a little dab, put it in your hand, rub your hands together, and your hands will be clear of any resins or oils, so you just rinse them right off. Go right to touching your eyes. That's a joke. These all essentials at the trim table, so make sure you hit us up on our website and check them out. Now that we've gone over the basic essentials for actually getting your product trimmed up, now let's get to the essentials that you need once you're gonna put it into a bag. So today we have a couple of our most popular products in bag wise. Classic turkey bags right here. These are your regular size turkey bags. This company's come out with a bunch of other sizes. So this is a 3-gallon, they make a 4-gallon. They make a can liner and a bin liner, which should be right here. It should be for like those yellow topped black bins. Those things are terrific for fresh frozen, or if you're doing large quantities. If you're doing small quantities, make sure you get these 3 gals. A lot of people like to use vacuum bags as well. It's a lot more durable of a bag than a turkey bag or a can liner, especially for fresh frozen. You can put really large amounts and very compact and have it not punctured or freezer burn. I have 2 of the options here. We also carry a bunch of other options as well. Rolls, pre-cuts, shield and seal, black and clear. These are just a black and clear pre-cut vacuum seal. And then we have right here, which are stash bags. These are the same 15 by 20 black and clear, but these have the zipper on them. So once you seal them, you can cut off the top, open the zipper, and then if you want to, seal it back up again, which makes these real popular. People really like these. Lastly, once you have your product into a bag, you're gonna wanna make sure it stays fresh, as well as in the nice humidity range, or exactly what you're gonna want from whichever sort of environment you're in. We have Boveda packs. Those are industry standard. They have a bunch of different sizes, as well as a bunch of different humidity rates. So if you're in a humid place, you're probably gonna want one that's gonna dry it out a little bit. If you're in a dry spot, you're probably gonna want one that adds a little bit of humidity to it.
How does he know that?
And we have all of those available. So make sure to reach out and ask, and we can get the right product for your harvest season. That concludes our list of harvest essentials, but that is what I just said, just harvest essentials. We sell tons of other products, from trimmers, to buckers, to sorters, to harvest equipment, to rosin equipment, post-processing, you name it, we sell it. So make sure you reach out to us. And like always, like and subscribe to the video below so you can keep getting this good content for every season.